Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Mining Newsflash at Commodity-TV with Adventus Mining, Vizsla Silver, Torq Resources, Summa Silver and Canada Nickel. Adventus Mining announced the remaining exploration drill results from the newly discovered Ensillada copper-gold-molybdenum porphyry system located within the 3,246-hectare PGL project in Central Ecuador. The maiden drilling program was completed in March 2021, totaling 7,031 meters on the first of several porphyry targets identified in the area. The Ensillada system is located approximately 5 kilometers south of the Caucha copper-molybdenum porphyry owned by Southern Copper Corporation. Highlight was a high-grade near-surface silver tungsten zone over 18.5 meters of almost 1% copper, 0.25 grams gold, 0.03% molybdenum, almost 190 grams of silver and 0.23% tungsten, overlying the top of a broader 152 meters of porphyry mineralization with 0.35% copper equivalent. 10 of 12 drill holes intersected porphyry mineralization greater than 100 meters, with mineralization ranging in thickness from 100 to 424 meters. Haywood has just issued a buy recommendation with a target price of $2.5 Canadian, which we fully support. Vizsla Silver announced the spin-off of its copper deposits in British Columbia into Vizsla Copper Corporation through a statutory plan of arrangement. Vizsla Copper common shares will be distributed to Vizsla Silver shareholders on the basis of 1 Vizsla Copper share for every 3 Vizsla Silver common shares. Vizsla Copper owns the 100% owned Blueberry Copper Project in the Babine, a porphyry belt of central British Columbia, and is focused and has the option to acquire a 60% interest in the Carruthers Pass copper property located 200 kilometers north of Smithers, also in British Columbia. Vizsla Silver can thus fully focus on its Panuco Copala silver gold project in Mexico. This will allow shareholders to fully benefit from the precious metals and copper boom. Torq Resources announced successful initial results from its ongoing exploration program at its Margarita iron-oxide-copper-gold, an IOCG project in northern Chile. Torq's primary objective is to discover a large-scale copper sulfide source for the abundant copper oxide mineralization observed in the southern region of the property. Results from a ground-based induced polarization geophysical survey have outlined two north-northwest trending chargeability anomalies approximately 3 kilometers by 500 meters in size that the Torq technical team believes are associated with sulfide mineralization. We look forward to further exploration work and its results. Summa Silver commenced their 10,000 meter drill program at the Hughes Project near Tonopah in Nevada. Both reverse circulation drilling and core drilling are being done. One RC drill rig is currently in full operation on the project and 2 more core rigs are scheduled to arrive in the next few weeks. Hughes contains a large number of drill-ready targets near the 2020 high-grade intercepts, which were selected based on an updated and comprehensive 3-dimensional model of all 2020 drill results along with geology, veins and underground workings in the historic Tonopah mining district. Drilling has commenced in the vicinity of the rescue vein, with modeling identifying the presence of multiple parallel striking veins that require immediate drill testing. Numerous additional veins in the Belmont mine and Murray targets have also not yet been verified. At the Ruby discovery, which lies 1.3 kilometers east of the Belmont mine and is the potential extension of the Tonopah district and remains open in all directions, further mineralization is being tested. The latest assay results from 2020 returned high-grade silver and gold at 2,930 grams per ton silver equivalent over 40 centimeters within an interceptor with 561 grams per ton silver equivalent, or also 3,210 grams silver equivalent over 30 centimeters from 234 meters depth within a 665 grams silver equivalent per ton intercept. The company is fully funded with approximately $13 million cash on hand. Summa should surprise massively positive this year. Canada Nickel Company was able to enter into a binding letter of intent with Noble Mineral Exploration to acquire the properties previously optioned by the company as well as additional claims held by Noble. Under the terms of the transaction, the current option agreements with Noble will be terminated and Canada Nickel will acquire 100% of the option claims and other interests in exchange for 3.5 million common shares of the company. This achieves several objectives, including 100% ownership of all 5 option properties and adds a 6th property. It massively expands Crawford's total acreage and consolidated this at the same time, which is an important step given the size of the proposed operation. The transaction also provides Canada Nickel with the opportunity to buy back a portion of the royalties accruing on certain properties. Canada Nickel is in the process of getting one of the world's largest nickel projects ready for production in a manageable time frame. We think this is a tremendous way to fuel the takeover fantasy in the short term even. My team and or myself are or may be shareholders in the companies presented and they are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.